What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's talk about Cardano. I just recorded this video and I actually did an 11-minute video. I'm going to try and shorten it down a little bit. But I didn't have audio on, so I guess I'm sort of glad. But I'm going to try and make this a little bit shorter, keep it around 8 to 9 minutes. Anyways, guys, we're going to be talking about Cardano. The markets look pretty damn good right now, completely moving the opposite way of the stock market, unless you're looking at a crypto, business and looking at that stock like Coinbase or something. But I wanted to talk about Cardano in this video. Somebody mentioned to me in the live stream that they would love to see my Cardano, breakdown of my profit taking strategy. Because I always have a profit taking strategy with every position that is short term and long term, which is typically around every position that I hold. So I wanted to talk about this, wanted to discuss Cardano, especially since I just recently, like yesterday, talked about how Cardano can get to a $200 billion market cap and be kind of competing within that top five, maybe even top three cryptocurrencies that are out there. So let's talk about this. Let's go through Cardano, go through what I like about it, and then we'll also go through my profit-taking strategy here. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links that are down there for my referral links. If you guys want to check out some of the places that I invest, KuCoin, Crypto.com, Coinbase, Webull, all of those places, go ahead and check those out and get something in return for signing up and being a part of those platforms. Also, if you guys want to sign up for my Patreon, feel free to do that as well. We have a lot of stuff over there, a lot of educational videos, and I plan on doing some other things when it comes to courses and stuff and putting a lot more effort into that. But anyways, let's take some time to talk about this position right here. Cardano, currently at a level of 41 cents. It's up about 5% today. We're seeing the volume up 30% today. And we saw this at a high of about 42 cents. It was at 41.9 cents and a low of 38 cents. So you would see a decent size increase within this position, and it's great to see it break the 40-cent mark. However, we want to see this at all-time highs. We want to see this at a lot further. But when we do see those levels, what are we going to do? Are you going to sell? Are you going to make some moves at $1? What are you going to do? I would like to know your opinion down below, or what you're going to do with your position that you hold. Now, currently we're seeing a $14.2 billion market cap, which is definitely a higher market cap compared to some other things that are out there. If we're looking at Terra Luna Classic or Shiba Inu or something, right? This is up there. It's ranked 7th, including stable coins, on the list by market cap. So definitely has some growth potential and definitely has some strength within it. But one thing that I really like to focus on with this position is really around what you get in Coinbase. So I'm holding 7,118 Cardano, and you see the typical days of hold time on Coinbase. You're looking at 193 days, almost 200 days. This means that people are not only buying the position, but they're holding the position, and they're holding on to it for an average of 193 days. People are staking it. People understand the growth. People understand the strength. It's just so much positivity within this position that you really can't go wrong with this. And in the last year, yes, we've seen things come down. You can see right down here, the past year, 62% down. But you see the market and how the market has collapsed as well. And the market was down, 46% overall. So definitely seeing a drop heavy in the overall market, and seeing a drop in Cardano as well, giving you sort of an opportunity to find an entry point. And we see that when you find an entry point, a lot of people are holding with 193 days of typical hold time. So with that being said, with how Cardano is, the growth that we've seen, the potential that we have, the ability to get to a $200 billion market cap, what is my plan when it comes to a profit-taking strategy? Well, you already see that, through the title. You don't even have to go through the video and understand that in what I am doing. But the idea in how I'm going to take that profit and how I'm going to get that profit is really kind of everything that we need to know. So if I go into my spreadsheet here, I break this down. We're going to go into my fourth spreadsheet, which is my Cardano spreadsheet that I just built. I will lay it out. And if you guys want it over on Patreon, I can definitely provide that on Patreon. Right now, we just have Terra, Shiba, and CRO, but I can provide this one as well. Anyways, like I said, I have 7,118 Cardano, at which I'm not going to be taking profit until a level of $1.50. $1.50 is a $51.9 billion market cap. This has hovered in the $50 billion market cap, $60 billion market cap, $80 billion market cap level. This is going a lot higher than where it is right now in price. It's been to a high of, I believe, somewhere around $3 or so. And if you're getting a high of $3, you're looking at basically $100 billion market cap. So you know it can make those moves up to a halfway point, and that's where I'm kind of setting my goal at, my initial goal of a $50 billion market cap here, especially already being at a 13.8 or $14 billion market cap where it currently is, because obviously it's at 41 cents, almost 42 cents as of right now. So that would be my first point, to where I am taking about $4,500 worth, which is about 3,000 Cardano, leaving myself 4,000 that is left. I also will wait the next level to get to $2.25. Which it will be a 77 or closer to $80 billion market cap, at which I will take another 2,000 coins, leaving, or sorry, 1,000 coins, and leaving, giving me $2,000 or a total of $6,700. Now, my initial investment is $2,500, so I would be well over my initial investment, and that's good to see. I'm taking profit, taking my initial investment. I'm able to invest it in other places, or just capture and put it wherever I want, and use it however I want. Then we get to a level of about $3, which will be closer to the all-time high, which I will take 2,000, another $6,000, a total of about 12,750. Now, again, this is not life-changing money. I don't expect this to be life-changing money. If you were expecting that, you probably want to go into some of those plays with a lower market cap. But a play like this that is kind of more about consistency, more about you don't have to worry about any type of hope behind it. It's about how strong the market will go, and ADA will move with it, right? So my last point that I will take an investment before I hold the rest is going to be 618 coins at about $5, which would be $173 billion market cap. And that would be about another 3,000 coins, or another $3,000. So a total of $15,840, leaving myself 500 Cardano. Now, what am I going to do with that 500 Cardano? I'm actually going to hold the 500 Cardano way past $7, way past $9, way past $10. And I know that's looking like a $346 billion market cap, but you never know what a project is going to do. It could surpass that and get to a $1 trillion market cap. We could see multiple cryptocurrencies up in that level. However, we might not. Right. But the point is that I already collected profit by keeping $15,000. If I take this profit of $5,000 at a $346 billion market cap, and then 5 years down the line, you see them decrease their supply and they have the chance to go to $1,000 worth of a price. Well, now I just gave up $500,000, and that's a huge loss to my opportunity by seeing that. Now, I don't want to get into another Bitcoin-like situation. That's why I always want to keep some and hold it for the long term. As long as I'm collecting my profit and a little bit more than that, or a lot of profit more than that, I guess, then I'm comfortable with it. But I always, in every situation that I truly believe it does have future growth with over many years, I'm going to hold on to that position for a very, very long time. Even Terra Luna Classic, if that gets up to $1, right, or when it does get up to $1 and we see the overall supply burn down, you never know where it's going to go after that. It could have the potential to move to 40 or 50 or something like that. So I will hold about 1 million coins in the end, so that whatever does happen, I know that I can see that growth. But I know that I will also take profit beforehand, so that I can have that initial profit, but then the long-term solution is so much more. So anyways, every single profit-taking strategy is not about making life-changing money. It's about making money to get into situations that could be life-changing situations. You're investing in other opportunities because you have the money to invest in other opportunities. And that's what I plan to do with ADA. That's what I plan to do with a lot of other positions. So turning 2.5K into 15K may not seem like a lot to you guys. And it may seem like a bigger ask, especially growing back to all-time highs, if not further than that. But it's something that sets up another opportunity somewhere else as I'm taking profit. And this is not the only profit taking strategy that I have. So with other things that are moving, I can also take profit there. But anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me there. Don't forget about some of the referral links that are down below for Webull, for Crypto.com, for KuCoin. And also don't forget about the Patreon. But I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next one.